Okay, we have ourselves a nice unboxing today. The Silver Medallion bag tags have arrived. Experience the medallion difference. So let's go ahead and get into this quick unboxing. Figured I'd open it with you guys. I think any status that you receive on any airline is an achievable thing to be, commended. I think having silver medallion status is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys. Now, one thing I do want to mention is I did already reach gold medallion with Delta, which is pretty cool. Last year was a really good year for anybody who traveled, even just a little bit, to reach status because of everything that was just going on. Now, I didn't open this up the best way, so don't mind me. But I did open it up without hurting anything. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's in here. Right, so all your travels have led to this. This is pretty cool. The next one says medallion status on vacation. Delta Vacations. So if you guys don't know what Delta Vacations is their own portal, and they can actually book your vacations. You can book your vacations on Delta Vacations website and get more miles. So get your exclusive silver medallion offer by calling 1-800, the 1-800 number right there. So it's all in one, miles for you, 24/7 care. I've never actually tried it. I typically don't do the airline, but I'll give it a shot. I'll see how it is. But yeah, pretty cool. Now again, I have already reached gold status, but I called Delta. Well, actually, I messaged them, and they said it's just taking a long time for the bag tag manufacturer to produce the bag tags. I reached silver status maybe 5 months ago, so I'm already at gold at this point. And again, last year throughout the pandemic and Delta being the only airline in the US to continue to roll over the MQMs for 2023, which is amazing, has helped me get to gold status. So on a regular travel year, I fly either non-rev, which means I don't pay for my flight, or I use miles. Okay, so that's the way I typically travel. And there are instances where I do have to pay for my ticket. So yeah, I am lucky in an instance where I don't have to pay for my flights sometimes, or I can use my miles with my points and things of that nature. But I do pay sometimes, and those times I pay, I'm able to reach silver status typically throughout the years. So without further ado, here we go. All your travels have led to this. And again, shout out to Delta. I didn't want to do it with any other airline. I didn't want to achieve any type of status with any other airline. This is my favorite US carrier as far as the main lines, the non-budget carriers, because I have no problems with them other than the other American airline. I don't want to say their names, but they are an American airline. But I typically have a lot of problems with that other American airline. Delta, I have no other issues. So voila. So here we go. So this year has been a challenge for everyone, and I hope this letter finds you and your family safe. I'd also like to thank you for your continued loyalty. Looking back, and it just gives you all the benefits that happened. So it's pretty cool. Here are the luggage tags, and yeah, you just put them on your luggage. Now again, obviously these aren't gold luggage tags or Delta 360 or anything like that, but it is something to still be commended because it is a status you have still achieved. It's just plastic, it's not metal. I know that Delta 360 is an invitation only status. You got to spend a lot of money, and you can only be invited. It's like the American Express and touring card, but for Delta. American Airlines has one, United has one. Delta's is called Delta 360. Theirs is metal, really nice. I've seen some unboxings online. Yeah, that's the luggage tag. Now the only thing about this is there is no plastic or anything to put the luggage tags on. So I don't know. I guess I just have to get my own, I guess, because I'm not a higher level. I mean, I don't know, but I would have at least expected it to come with some type of strap or something I can attach it onto the suitcase, but whatever. I'll take these. I'm not going to wear these though anyway, so I'm not tripping on it. I'm going to wait for my gold ones to come in the mail. What do you guys think about this? Have you guys ever received luggage tags from Delta? If so, nice. Just a quick little video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon.